All right, we have made several attempts to start it, and it kind of wants to, but it is not going to. And I've got a couple of things. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there's a hissing sound coming from somewhere here. Sort of messing with it a bit. There was, so we can see a split, or not a split, but some deformation here. And if I hold this, I can actually feel this vibrating. So there's an airflow problem. But also, I have discovered that we have a fuel flow problem because somebody's been in here doing stuff they shouldn't be doing. So we'll get there. So this here is an injector plug, which looks like it's on, but it isn't. And then we have more injector plugs that are not on. And another one in there that is not on. And it's like, okay, well, I know there's fuel in the tank. It was empty, but I've just filled it up, so why is it not running? Half these cylinders have no fuel. So I'm gonna go through and check out all the plugs. That one's on. Plug these in and see if we can get it running.